Yeah, so this is what is happening at Obaru now, in Obaru local government. Obaru came together today to drove all these headsmen today. A lot of things happening today in Obaru. Obaru is kind of so hot this morning. One Obaru, one love. I love you guys. I love this action this morning. They keep on destroying people's farm and making farmers regretting ever doing farming. Can you just imagine the population of just imagine the population. Just imagine the population. This is what is happening in Obaru today. This is what is happening in Obaru today. This is what is happening in Obaru today. Obaru, all the youths, elders of the villages in Obaru. This is what they are doing today, and I love that. Obaru, one love. Osomala omunankwo obakoba ochuche akelozizo atani odebe ohita. This is what they are doing today. They're driving the X-Men out to Oga Junction for them to find their way out of Obaru. This is what is happening in Obaru local government today. I love the action. The action is massive. Guys are not smiling. Obaru used to not smiling this morning. When I mean they're not smiling, they're not smiling. Watch population of Nama in one local government. Can you imagine? Hey, Mandine.